Hi guys, welcome back to Serenity Crafts by Maria. Today I'm going to be doing a little pot that I'm going to put these bits in. They're like iridescent artificial snow. I want to see what they look like in resin. I made extra because I was going to do something else, but I am running really low on resin, so I didn't have enough to do my original plan. So I found this and I thought, oh, why not? Let's have a play around. I don't know if you'll see it in resin. You might do. You might not. Who knows? Well, we will soon. I'm just going to stir a load in. Oh, this is going to be messy. Just cleaned my mat. Stir that up. I'm going to put loads in. Because why not? Doesn't help that I've got a fan blowing in my face. I'm going to go downstairs looking like a chicken. Because these look like white feathers. Just want to see what it looks like in resin. Do I put some in the actual vase as well? And I can mix it in when it's in there. Yeah, I can just keep putting it in. Ooh, gloopy. That feels like when you put glue in it. To stop like glitter from sinking. Right, I am just going to mix that up because obviously I'd poured some of that in there. So I definitely want a little bit of clear in there to whoosh that around. I'm hoping this will be really pretty. Right, let's just keep going. This had 200 mils of resin in it. Right, I'm not going to fill it up anymore because I'm going to sprinkle little bits in. Oh, it is pretty stuff. Right. And then, can I get any more out of here? Right, now I'm just going to put a little layer to fill it up. Right, and we'll see how that goes. And I've got a little bit left over, or a little bit of resin left over. Just going to clean off my hands. Right, let them come up, and I'm going to pour this into something else. Move that now. Move that up to the top. And what should we make? I would like a I don't know if there'll be enough to do this, to be fair. Should we do a matching pot? Let's just do a matching pot. I was going to do a pink and white marble, but that was with my old idea. So I'm just going to bung this all in here. And we'll do a matching pot. And if they look rubbish, they can look rubbish together. At least they got a friend. I cannot believe how much resin I've used this month. I'm literally running out. So tomorrow's project will probably be a UV project, which I'm happy with anyway. And I don't get my resin until the 1st. And today is the 23rd. So I've got a little way yet. Fortunately, can't afford to buy any extra or earlier. So it might be a UV project or a small project. Right, let's just pour. I think these could be really pretty if it actually works how my mind thinks it will. But when does that ever happen? Oh, we're the tiniest bit short. I might be able to make up a little bit more for this, to be fair. Or do I need to? Actually, I don't think I need to. Let's get rid of that and then see if I can get any more out with my magic spatula. Do you know what? I don't think I need any more in there. Make sure that is all up there. I think that is very, very, very close to the top. So I don't think it's really worth worrying about making any more up. It's got a base on it, and that's what you need. So I think we're good for now. So I want to see what artificial snow or iridescent artificial snow does with clear resin. And we'll find out. Well, you'll find out in a few minutes. I'll find out tomorrow. Don't know whether to just sprinkle some more on the top. Because that should stick if it's touching the resin. Do you know what? I might just poke it down. Might make like 20-30 mils up just to top that up, but I'll do that off camera and then I haven't got to worry you with it, and I'll bring you back when it is time to demold. So I will see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next morning and these are cured. So I topped that up and I had enough to do a little vase. That's cute. So let's do the big one first. This is the original one. It's very sharp, so it will need sanding. and then I will put a base on it, like a felt or something. Right. Can't remember how easy these are to do the mould. I've made myself one for the craft room, which is here. Keep all my spatulas and things in. But that was made out of aquacast. I haven't made it out of resin yet. This is the first time. Straightforward demold, apart from I've rolled it around itself. Oh, I like that. It's got like a clear bit there. I like that. So that's what it does in resin then. Right, put my mould back. And put it upside down so nothing goes in it. So yeah, that's quite cute actually, you know. Little flecks in there, different colours. Nice. Let's see what this one does. Be careful if you do this, because it is quite sharp on the bottom. So when you're demoulding, just watch your knuckles. So I've just scraped my knuckle on it. Right, fold that round, fold that round. Oh, do you know what? I actually really like the effect it's given. It's really cute. Just going to put my, that's mould back again. Put that upside down. Yeah, I've literally bent it out of shape now. But look, that effect is beautiful. It really is cute. I will be putting some like dupe string maybe, or even some pink ribbon maybe. And that's it, guys. That's a little video for you. And I really like that. That's the artificial snow, iridescent artificial snow. Super cute. Got little flecks of colour in there. It looks really, really nice. I love it. It's like it's filled with crushed ice. Really nice effect. I'll just sand the bottoms and put felt on the bottom, and then I'll get pictures at the end. So thank you so much for joining me for this very quick video. Hasn't taken me long at all to do this video, but it's really nice. I'm so glad I did it in the end. I'm glad my original plan couldn't be done, because it's really nice. I like that. It's like it's hard, like 3/4 filled with ice when you're looking at it from the side, but it's an empty jar. I love that. Love it. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. It costs nothing, but it does help my channel so much. I'm fighting to get the 1,000 subscribers by February when the YouTube changes happen. Hopefully I'm on the path for that. I'm at 715 subscribers now, so 285 needed now. So we're getting there, guys. I really do appreciate every single one of you, and I actually love this effect. It's really cool. I love the way it's clear there, so it looks like the jar's half filled with ice. Love that. So, take care of yourself, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Serenity crafts.